to pick up the kids. I'm a little high, but like a little drunk. But I still gotta pick up the kids though. Oh man. Wait. I was supposed to pick up the kids. Forget this, man. My son Billy, man. What's up? You understand the reason I made it here safe? It's because I dropped him drugs. I always stay sober, you know? Don't do drugs. Stay sober. Don't be like the other reference. Oh, we forgot our seatbelts. Put your seatbelt on. Oh yeah. Yep. Don't want to be flying out the windshield, right?
Yeah.
Okay, this dude wants a race right now? Okay. Nope. I'm gonna get in a car accident. It's too dangerous, so I'm just gonna just go to jail and just get a speeding ticket. I'm pretty sure the vehicle's fine. Flat tire? It's not gonna do anything. It's gonna be fine. What the? Hey. I'm stranded now, man. Like, my vehicle tires are popped. My tires are popped. The lugs came off. I should have checked I should have checked my vehicle before I went in the car, man. Damn it. Tires? Check. Mirrors? Check. The lugs and on the tires? Check. The whole entire vehicle? Check. How much people are gonna pass? What the hell, man? Get the, like... Cool. I'm gonna go to jail forever, man.
What are you looking at? No, look out!
Oh my...
Always remember to keep your eyes on the road, okay?
Alright. No, keep my eyes on the road. Alright, seems clear.
Remember, in an intersection, remember to look both ways, even if you're going right and left.
Even if I'm turning?
Yes.
Alright. Gotta make sure of that, man. You know. Alright, even when I'm turning. Like, I'm going right. Alright. We successfully got the turn right. 0 people were harmed in the making of this video.